Jai Shri Ram everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel dedicated to AI learning, my friends. I have received numerous questions on Instagram asking about creating AI-powered thumbnails. In response to your requests, I present this video tutorial. Here, I will demonstrate how you can generate captivating thumbnails with vibrant colors using Leonardo AI, completely free of charge. I have prepared a comprehensive tutorial on using Leonardo AI. If you are unfamiliar with Leonardo AI, please watch that video first. You can find the link in the video description and the I button in the top corner. In that tutorial, I explained the detailed process of generating images with Leonardo AI.
I will now explain the method I employ to create thumbnails for my previous videos. You can apply the same technique to enhance the visibility and click-through rate of your content. Additionally, I will share a method to upscale these images to ultra-high definition resolution. Make sure to watch the entire video as you will gain valuable knowledge. Before we begin, I want to request your support by liking the video since such content takes longer to produce. Let's commence our learning journey. I prefer using Dreamshaper version 6 for its captivating and eye-catching image outputs. Although Dreamshaper version 6 and occasionally version 5 are my go-to choices, you can select any other model from the available list to create thumbnails for your videos. However, before writing your prompt, ensure you choose the 16:9 aspect ratio for your YouTube thumbnail from the menu on the left. In this specific thumbnail used for a video about building an AI website, I aimed to create an image that would align with the video title and content. In my mind, I envisioned a young female student sitting in a room, diligently working on her laptop. This imaginative stage is crucial for crafting an effective thumbnail, so please focus on this aspect. We will convert our imagination into words and input them into AI, allowing it to grasp our vision and deliver the output accordingly. Take careful consideration of the scene you desire in your image. As for my desired image, I wanted an intellectual-looking girl wearing glasses, focused on her laptop work while sitting on a chair. I chose the words hyper-realistic and wise at the beginning of my prompt to convey the precise visual characteristics of the character I desired. By starting with hyper-realistic, I aimed for a fusion of realism and anime in the output image. I incorporated the word wise to convey an aura of wisdom and intellectualism. Interestingly, the usage of wise led to a girl wearing glasses in the output since AI associates glasses with a wise and intellectual appearance. Although amusing, this outcome aligned perfectly with what I intended for my image. In the subsequent sentence, I described the image I had imagined by typing, "A hyper-realistic white college girl working on her laptop sitting on a chair." These words accurately depicted my envisioned image. Understanding these words will enable you to modify them according to your desired image, placing them in the middle of your prompt for better results. Next, I added the keywords side view and full frame to indicate that I wanted a side view of my character, not the front or back, and a full-frame perspective rather than a zoomed-in or cropped one. By incorporating these terms into my prompt, I aimed to communicate the precise placement of the character to the artificial intelligence. Finally, the last two words of my prompt were selected to give the overall desired look to my output image. For instance, I typed award-winning photography to create an image reminiscent of one captured by a world-class photographer. AI already understands the type of pictures taken by such photographers. Additionally, the presence of low light and dramatic colors in the image was a result of including these words in my prompt. Now, you have various options to upgrade the image, such as HD Smooth Upscale, HD Crisp Upscale, or Alternative Upscale. All these upscaling options work similarly by increasing the image's resolution to high definition. After generating the image, I downloaded it and opened it in MS Paint. I believe we are all familiar with MS Paint since our childhood, right? In MS Paint, I selected the text button and added the desired text to the thumbnail. Additionally, I had the option to include some graphical elements in the thumbnail. Furthermore, I resized the image and set the resolution to 720 by 1280, which is suitable for YouTube thumbnails. Here's another example of a recently created thumbnail. For this thumbnail, my prompt was a hyper-realistic cartoon family, all wearing different color clothes, with girls, 2 men, and happy faces. As you can observe, the resulting image depicts a hyper-realistic cartoon family with distinct colored clothes for each member. There are 4 girls, 2 men, and everyone is portrayed with a happy expression.
I hope this explanation has been helpful and that you have gained valuable insights from it. If so, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. See you in the next AI learning video. Jai Shri Ram.
If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel.